Hi everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I'm here with Chef Val from OUT School of Community Medicine. Always a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
And it smells amazing. I wish everybody could smell it, so I'm just going to let you explain what we're doing today.
Okay, we're just making a really easy vegetarian tortilla soup. So many times you'll have chicken in there, and you could totally do that. You can add some like roasted chicken, rotisserie chicken to that. But we're just using beans this time.
Okay.
And we're also using hominy. So
Okay.
yeah, sometimes you'll see corn in tortilla soup, and we're just using hominy, which is corn that has had the outside layer removed and it's all puffed up and
Yeah,
just to change it up.
Just
you
to change it up.
Use corn. Yes.
Okay, so there's not necessarily a specific reason.
And it's not even healthier this time. It's just for fun.
Just giving it a little different texture.
Yes. So in this pot, we have onions, garlic, and poblano pepper.
Okay.
So poblanos are readily available at the grocery store, and I just think they have a little bit more flavor, a little bit different flavor. So this is a poblano.
Okay.
But if you don't have one, or you happen to have these at home already, just a regular bell pepper.
Just to use them.
Use that.
So
Yeah.
poblano bean, is it spicy for people that don't like spice? Is there anything with that?
It's still a mild green chili, but it's going to have a little bit more heat than a bell pepper. So if you're very sensitive to heat, then just use a bell pepper.
Stick with the peppers.
But I mean, I just love that the poblano gives just a different level of flavor.
Okay.
Yep.
Got it.
Okay, so onion, poblano, garlic right here, and then we're going to add some spices. We have oregano, chili powder, and cumin, and I do like to kind of toast up those spices a little bit, or
just kind of let them brown a little bit.
So if we had a minute, I'd probably let that go for a couple of minutes, and this is on just a medium heat. And then we have beans, black beans, and the hominy that we talked about, and I drained and rinsed those.
Okay.
But then these white beans, and you could use whatever beans you have.
I was just going to say, whatever you might have at home.
I mean, it's not like, oh, it's not going to be tortilla soup anymore if I use pinto beans. That's perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so then, and navy beans, and those are going right in. And I just went ahead and put the bean juice in because it's clear and it's going to give it a little bit of
more flavor.
thickness.
Oh, that's true
thickness.
too.
It doesn't have much flavor, but some canned tomato product. I'm using like a petite diced tomato. And then vegetable stock. So you could use whatever stock you have.
So you could do chicken or something if you didn't have the vegetable.
Right. So this is just going to simmer for a few minutes.
Okay.
I mean, 20 minutes really at the most, and it's done.
And it's ready to go.
Yes. So the chopping of the onion and chopping of the garlic and pepper, that's going to be your most time-consuming thing. Everything else is basically
Easy.
canned product, easy peasy.
Let it cook.
Yeah.
I mean, it smells amazing.
Thank
and
you.
I know here's our awesome finished product over here that I'll get to taste. I
Yes.
always love that part. And what do we have to garnish?
Okay, so to garnish it, we have some corn tortillas.
Okay.
And we've just cut these into strips, sprayed with a little bit of pan spray, baked them until they're crispy, and garnish
And
on
a little
top
bit
and some green
garnish.
onion. Yes, this is also where you could add cilantro, sliced avocado.
So you're getting a little bit more of a healthier option. Again, it's the little steps that count.
Yeah.
And I'm going to taste it.
Right, so you could use crushed up chips if that's what you have.
Right. No, it's very good. And there's something about soup in the winter that I love too. So I love this. Thank you. If you guys have any questions about this recipe or any other recipe, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.